Hey guys, my name is Dinginto from denonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called LinkedIn Profits. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how the LinkedIn Profits works. Now, as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on October 5th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to LinkedIn Profits when it goes live. And the best part is you can get a discounted price for this digital product launch during this launch period of the LinkedIn Profits. And this is a limited time offer, so you must act now so that you won't be able to buy this when the price increases in an hour. And so to get this discounted price, you can actually click the link down below in this video to check it out. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses here, and I'm going to show you how you can get this product from here, so you can retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. Just keep an eye onto my bonus banner here and we'll go from there. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the LinkedIn Profits. Now, to put this briefly, LinkedIn Profits is the ultimate turnkey business in a box software for your subscribers that combines free traffic from LinkedIn. So for this one, they're going to be providing you a extension that you're going to be installing onto your browser so that you can use that and pretty much have your LinkedIn account, so you'll be able to get traffic from there. And together with a done for you monetization, you can get 5 offers that are included, which people simply need to send the LinkedIn traffic in order to make money, and plus a high ticket funnel that is proven to convert time and time again. The LinkedIn Profits app virtually has unlimited free traffic now at your fingertips. Now, to enter a single keyword, and LinkedIn Profits is going to start generating traffic from over 740 million users on autopilot. And then you can find and follow niches targeted users in this program here. You get 5 100% done for you campaigns included inside of the members area. LinkedIn Profits lets you promote any link that you want. It could be a LinkedIn promos, it could be an e-com products. You can do your own offers, lead pages. It could be anything that you'd like, as long as you have this extension that you're going to be installing in the browser. And to give you a massive head start, whether you're a beginner or you just want a fast second income stream, you can pretty much use this. If you haven't done any of this affiliate marketing program, if you're a beginner or a newbie, you can benefit from this program. So this is pretty much a video tutorial where you can pretty much follow exactly what they ask you to do, and then just pretty much take action. And so that's how it's gonna work. You can build, actually also you can build your list with this technique. For the advanced automation tool, it's gonna drive your traffic in 60 seconds. Make sure that you follow the step-by-step videos walkthroughs so that you'll be able to follow along the training and be able to apply what you learn from this. And you can potentially make massive $500 for every conversion. And so over here, you're gonna be finding out how this works. And so you want to make sure that you pay attention to what they do so that you'll be able to get the exact results. And it's been tested, it's been perfected, and they've optimized it to convert. Pretty much this program is actually gonna give you the chance to be able to start earning commissions as long as you have this, and you're good to go. And also they included the premium hosting inside of the members area, just so it's gonna make your life easier, and you don't have to have your you don't have to purchase hosting. You don't have to worry about creating content or whatsoever. They provided this for you inside of the members area. They're going to be hosting you all the included done for you offers so that you don't have to worry that part either. This is very effortless scaling. Pretty much they've done the heavy work for you, so all you got to do is just go through the training and just apply what you learn. And you pretty much use LinkedIn Profits to any promotion that you'd like. It could be any high ticket offers. That would be awesome too. So if you start promoting high ticket offers, then the more money that you're gonna be earning. And so on top of the ones that are included over here too, so you can pretty much use the ones that they provided for your high ticket offers, so you can potentially get more money from it. And now I want to talk about the benefits of LinkedIn Profits. Now, this program is a revolutionary app that does more than deliver you floods of free buyer traffic. So this is one of the things that I like about a program that includes free traffic is, you know, they provided you free traffic, so you don't have to go hunting for traffic or just pretty much have a hard time getting buyers traffic. And, you know, pretty much like, you know, not a lot of programs will add free traffic, and so it's kind of like a lot of work for someone, especially if they're a beginner. Once they apply what they learn, and if they're not getting traffic, then, you know, obviously you're not going to get results, and it's a big disappointment for them to find out that, oh, this product doesn't work because I'm not getting traffic. But with this one, you're going to get traffic, and you know, you can pretty much get free buyer traffic with this method, with including the top converting done for you offers that's already been built inside of the members area of the LinkedIn Profits. So it's kind of like a complete business in a box, this whole program here, and plus the ability to reach these buyers directly from inside of the app. You pretty much don't have you don't have to even have your own autoresponder for this. So, you know, don't worry about getting your own autoresponders because it's just going to cost you a lot of money. So I want you to get started with this, and once you get successful with this, then maybe you can, but it's up to you. You know, honestly, you don't need to have that extra headache just so you can have an autoresponder. And, you know, it's just another, you know, budget for your wallet. And so you don't need to invest in paid ads, which is a good part about this because you're getting free traffic. LinkedIn Profits is all about making money from free traffic, and so, you know, pretty much take advantage of that. You can get free buyer traffic if you want, but, you know, might as well start with free traffic that's included in here, so you really don't have to buy or do paid ads. That's not necessary for this training program. LinkedIn Profits also includes a step-by-step training video, so if you're a beginner or a newbie, you can follow along these trainings here that I'm going to be showing to you later. It's a step-by-step training, so just start from the top and all the way to the bottom, so you're not just jumping around the course. Then if you do that, then it's not going to make sense. So make sure that you go from top and all the way down, and then, you know, pretty much this is just going to eliminate you any guesswork. So that's why you have to go step by step and not skip anything, so that it's not gonna be confusing. And so if you can follow along the training, then you will get successful in this. Now let's start with going through the members area of LinkedIn Profits. So as you can see here, this is inside of the members area. So over here is the welcome to LinkedIn Profits. So this is Bill. He's a really good marketer here. He makes a lot of money, so he will be welcoming you into the members area here. You can subscribe to his YouTube channel. This is Bill's Facebook mastermind that you can join. This is Saraubh. He's also awesome too. He's really good at online marketing. And then you can watch his video. He's gonna welcome you again, and then you can pretty much subscribe to his YouTube channel here. And this is a welcome video for Sid, so he's gonna again welcome you. So all three of them, I know them because they're really good online marketers. They're pretty much good with everything that they do. So feel free to subscribe his YouTube channel. You can watch the live training call here. Feel free to do that so that you'll be able to have a smooth construction with the LinkedIn Profits or anything else. You know, feel free to contact them on the Facebook. You can direct message them, and then they're pretty much good with responding back. And so I have I have sent a message with Bill and also with Saraubh. They're pretty good with answering back onto if you use the Facebook Messenger, and so if you have any questions about anything, then they're really good with responding back to you. And also with Sid too, he's really good with responding back. So if you have any questions, I've seen him in the we're in the Facebook group, and I've seen him respond to a lot of questions from the students, from the anyone who has questions about online marketing. And so they're very good with this, and so this is one of the reasons why I want to recommend this product to you guys. And so, you know, as they stated here, any questions, you know, they'll be able to answer you with whatever questions that you may have. And so now over here this is where you download the LinkedIn Profits extension. So you do that first prior to starting with the video training. So once you've done this, once you install the extension onto your browser, now you go onto the LinkedIn Profits training. Here is the overview video. Sid is going to explain to you how this training works. So the next one would be the LinkedIn Profits dashboard. Sid will be taking care of how you're going to be doing this. Like as you can see here, this is the first glance of LinkedIn Profits here. So you're going to have a LinkedIn profile. And so he will explain to you how this works here. And go over here. Next would be the visit features. Sid will walk you through on how this works inside of the visit feature here. Now moving on to the LinkedIn Profits record features here. Now again, he will explain you step by step on the LinkedIn profile of the records inside your LinkedIn profile here. Now next would be the LinkedIn Profits group messages here. He'll also explain to you how the group messages work. So isn't that cool? And here are your done for you campaigns. Here is to access the page creator here. This is Sid is going to explain to you how you can get access to the page creator here. So just watch the video, and once you've done that, then you can go ahead and access the page creator over here. Then here is the unfair advantage, if you could get access here. So let's click on that. We'll see how this works. Here is where you can pretty much get your unfair advantage here. I have this program, by the way. It's full of information, and highly recommend that you get this, because it's got all this you know, all this information, all these modules that you need to learn on how you can maximize your profit with online marketing. It's got all these lessons that are very good to have and very good to learn. And so that is that for the profit abundance. And here are the upgrades. Here you can get access. So here I'll explain to that later if you're interested in getting upgrades for the LinkedIn Profits. Here are the bonuses offer as well for the members area. And just so you know, I'm going to be offering you my free bonuses as well as my way of saying thanks for taking the time to watch my review videos. And so once you click the link down below into this video, and if you decide to pick up LinkedIn Profits, I'm going to be delivering you my free bonuses as well. And on top of that, you're going to be getting all these bonuses too from the LinkedIn Profits vendor bonuses. So you're gonna get all this, including my free bonuses, just because I want to say thank you for watching my review video. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up LinkedIn Profits, this is going to go live on October 5th, and that's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then you're gonna get a $3 discount as soon as you navigate into this sales page by clicking onto my yellow button. Make sure that you add the discount price for this. Then you scroll down here, and this is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, and then all my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim this bonuses here, They are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page and then send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And then all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below, and then you can pretty much open up my bonus page here. And for the upgrades available for the LinkedIn Profits, you can check out all the information that I provided here for the LinkedIn Profits. So just so you know that the front end of the LinkedIn Profits is, the price will be $17, but with my exclusive link, you can actually get the $3 off with this purchase, so you can get a discounted price for this product. Now, also, you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out the upgrades onto my bonus page if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. You'll find all these upgrades available for you here onto my bonus page. Feel free to look around and you'll be able to find all the juicy details for the upgrades of the LinkedIn Profits. Now, when you click the link down below in this video to purchase LinkedIn Profits, I will be offering you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below in the description of this video. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you will find down below in the description of any of my review videos, or in my YouTube About Me section, so you can send me a message right there. Now, once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses, and also remember that the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during the launch period of the LinkedIn Profits. Now, once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 8th. So you make sure that you look up for that when you pick this up. Now, all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $17 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my LinkedIn Profits review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video. Now, make sure to click the link below to purchase LinkedIn Profits at a discounted price. And also, don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys on to my next video. And thanks again for watching my review video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.